Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's tutorial episode, I'm going to show you how to sign in to Amegy Bank account. Amegy Bank of Texas, which was previously known as Southwest Bank of Texas, is a leading Texas bank with $13 billion in assets and about 1,600 employees. Amegy has a strong tradition of relationship banking, local decision-making, and financial expertise. In order to log into Amegy Bank account, go to your web browser first and simply click it open. Type in www.amegybank.com and soon you'll end up in the official website of Amegy. To log into your Amegy Bank account, enter your login ID on the first field and then enter your password for your account. Make sure to enter the correct password every time you log into your account, and after you're done, if you want the site to remember you, then click on this box over here. But if you are using a public device or a shared device, make sure to uncheck this box for your security purpose. If you don't have an account yet, click on Enroll now and sign up to a new account first. And after entering all the credentials, click on the Sign In button. If you are having any kind of a trouble to enter your credentials, then click on Need Help and follow the instructions to reset your password or to get access to your bank account. After clicking on the sign in button, you'll be logged into Amegy Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes like this. Goodbye till then.